How to define the problem in the engineering design process. Imagine trying to build a bridge without knowing what kind of bridge it is or where it will go. You might waste time, money, and effort on the wrong design. That's why defining the problem clearly is the first step in any engineering project. It's like setting the destination before starting a journey. When engineers work on design and analysis, they need to understand exactly what they are solving. This involves figuring out who is affected, what the main issue is, and why it matters. A good problem statement helps everyone stay focused and aligned. To do this well, start by gathering all relevant information. Look at the physical conditions around the problem. For example, if you are designing a mechanical part, consider the forces it will face, the space it needs to fit into, and the materials available. Review existing data and technologies to see what has already been done. This helps identify current limitations and opportunities for improvement. Next, clarify what you want to achieve. Goals are broad, like making a machine faster, while objectives are specific steps, such as reducing weight by 10% or cutting costs by 20%. Understanding what the user needs is also key. If you are designing a bicycle, for instance, the rider might want it to be lightweight, durable, and easy to handle. These needs translate into concrete specifications, like a maximum weight of 5 kilograms or a frame made from aluminum alloy. Recognizing constraints is equally important. These are the limits you cannot cross, such as a budget of $50,000, a manufacturing time of 3 months, or safety standards that must be met. Constraints help narrow down the options and keep the project realistic. Once you understand the core functions, you can clearly state what the product must do. For example, a pump must move a certain volume of fluid within a specific time frame. This ensures the design focuses on the essential tasks. After gathering all this information, compile it into a detailed document called a project specification. This includes technical details, performance goals, and available resources. When everything is in place, finalize the problem definition and get approval to move forward. In practical mechanical engineering, this process means understanding operational stresses, user expectations, manufacturing limits, and safety standards before creating prototypes. By thoroughly defining the problem, engineers reduce the risk of failure, save time, and improve the chances of creating a successful product. It also makes communication easier among team members and stakeholders, so everyone knows exactly what needs to be solved and what the end goal is.